Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanna ask you, what are you doing sitting at home? Are you playing Dream 11 or other money earning games and thinking like these money earning games are going to give you a lot of money and you are going to learn a lot of money? Is that true? Could it be possible? No, actually, these games are going to make you an addict of such games and are going to vanish your future. If you are a teen, go to the studies, do the study, think intelligently, and choose some courses for you, some good courses, some good books for you. You can read many of the books, the lifestyles, life stories of the scientists, and many more things are available that can be done. For example, I can tell you to play chess. Think intelligently, have creative ideas, and do the something that is going to benefit your future. Dear guys, the pandemic is really not permanent. Okay, we all need to know that one day all this will end. Then, what will you realize at that time? What you did sitting at the home? How you could benefit yourself? Then find that reason that you should not be able to blame at that time yourself कि आपने उस टाइम का प्रॉपर यूज़ नहीं किया. You can utilize it is this time in a proper way and you should do it. Again, I'm saying don't play the games like Dream 11 or any other money earning games. These are just wastage of time and making you addict. You have seen that many of the players like Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Saurav Ganguly are just adding for them. They are asking you to play. And please don't get impacted because all of them are getting money for this, and even those players will not allow their children to play those games. Okay, so I request you to not to waste your time, your money, your future. Please save yourself from the such kind of games. And if you are a parent watching this video, it's a request for all of you to not allow uh, your students and your children, your wards, these games. Such games are really going to vanish their future. I want all of you to think intelligently again. Choose for them some new games, some helpful games, like play chess with them. It is going to benefit their mind so that their mind could be creative. You can buy a course for them that could help them. And if it is about games, many other games are there, mind games are there, physically sports are there, like you need to play physically, like football is there, or playing some other thing, doing some other activity at home, like cooking is even better than playing such games. The money is not the only thing that can benefit your future. Your knowledge is the most important part at this time. So, I request you again to not play such games, not get involved in such addictive activities. Because when this ad ends, there is also a disclaimer that this could be an addictive game and the company doesn't take care of that. So be careful, have a safe future, have a safe present first. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.